These things are amazing. So we've had these released before, but now they've released them in a different type of setting. So I'm going to do a couple of close-ups on these, but these are called the skid cylinders. Skid cylinders. Why do you call them a skid cylinder? Well, it comes in the shape of a cylinder, as you can see. So I'm going to go into overhead and we're going to have a quick look at these. So as you can see here, they are the same cars. So we've still got the HQ Monaro. They're the same cars that were released in the blister packs before, but we've now got some arms sticking out of the car and they're doing skids on a little pad. So here's the Castrol HQ. Here we have the regular HQ with the stripe. Oh, very nice and glossy. And you've got the hands coming out of these ones. Really, really neat looking model. Is it? And it's kind of off-centered as if it's skidding around in the cylinder. We have the wrapped version. So these are all the same car. They've just put different paint on them. That's them there. Hello, Anthony. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And here's a cool one. The XY. The XY Falcon. Doing a skid. Look at that. Look at the head on that thing. Crazy. You've got the arms popping out. Having a whole lot of fun. And they're really nice size as well. For these 187 size car kits, they're quite small. So to have something that is packaged in and you can decide whether you want to take it out or leave it in the box is really cool, because you've got something a little bit bigger to be having a look at and working with. But at the same time, if you wanted to take it out, put it on a shelf, you'd have the same size car that you've got already. So yeah, I think that was kind of good to have a look at those. We did miss them last week. These are in store now. They're a really, really cool little addition to your Oswheels stashes. 4 different new types. We've also got the Tirana that just come in. I think we touched on that last week. But those were the skid cylinders. All right. I saw we had a couple more guesses for our car. Here we go.